My name is Lisa Austin. I'm a labor and delivery nurse. With my job, I'm blessed to see new lives being born. And sadly, on occasion, I see death. But is death really the end? I have always believed there was something beyond the physical world that we know. My personal experiences have only reinforced those beliefs. That is why I have put together a team entirely of women, including fellow nurses, who are seeking answers to that same question. Our medical background keeps us grounded in science, while we gather evidence in our investigations to help discover what happens beyond the cradle to the grave.